Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 weirdest animals. So make sure to watch the full video. 5. Aye-aye. Aye-aye is one of the most repulsive animals on the planet. This tiny monkey is also one of the most fascinating. A 14 to 17 inch long species with a long tail, found only in Madagascar. With whitish guard hairs, it has long, wiry hairs ranging from gray to black on its body. However, its teeth are constantly growing like those of a rodent. Like bats and squirrels, the aye-aye uses echolocation to find its way around and can scale trees headfirst. It has large, layering orange or tan eyes that are spherical. It also has a third finger to probe into holes it has dug with its teeth and grab grubs out of those holes. 4. Echidnas. The echidna is a member of a family of quill-covered monotremes, egg-laying mammals, classified as Tachyglossida. The echidna is also known as the spiny anteater. In addition to the platypus, the 4 existing species of echidna are the only living mammals that lay eggs and are members of the Monotremata order. However, they are not closely related to true anteaters of the Americas, who, together with sloths and armadillos, devour ant colonies and termites as their primary food. Echidnas are indigenous to Australia and New Guinea. Echidnas descended from a monotreme resembling a platypus between 20 and 50 million years ago, when they first appeared on the scene. However, echidnas evolved from aquatic predecessors. Caves and fissures in rocks protect echidnas, which cannot endure excessive temperatures. Underbrush, roots, and other debris serve as hiding places for echidnas in the wild. Rabbit and wombat burrows are familiar places for them to hide out. A single echidna has a huge territory that it shares with several others. 3. Frill-necked lizard. Agamid lizards, like the frilled lizard, are called frill-necked lizards, frilled dragons, and frizzy-necked agamas, Chlamydosaurus kingi. That region of Australia and New Guinea is home to only a single species population. Chlamydosaurus is a genus with only one species. The large frills around the lizard's neck, which are generally folded against its body, give the creature its name. As a tree dweller, C. kingi spends most of its time in the trees. Most of its meals are insects and tiny animals, such as flies. It's not uncommon for frill-necked lizards or frillies, as they are known to eat plants, but this is rare. A mottled effect resembling tree bark can be achieved by using brown or gray hues blended with darker spots and patches. Colors vary depending on the lizard's surroundings, so there isn't one universal shade. Lizards that live in dry, clay-filled environments are more likely to show a variety of oranges, reds, and browns. In contrast, lizards living in wetter, more tropical environments are more likely to show darker browns, grays, and greens. Their colors are a sort of camouflage since they are tailored to their environments. 2. Komondor dog. Another weird animal is the Hungarian Komondor dog. They look like Rastafarian dreadlocks because of their white coats with white tassels. Even though they don't have the vast stature and bulky build of their Hungarian counterparts, the Komondorok has a commanding presence because of their white coats with white tassels. With a medium-sized head and hair covering most of its facial characteristics, the dog looks like a mutt from the outside in. The torso is muscular, and the tail is perfectly straight. Raka sheep from Hungary have similar floppy, mop-like coats to shield them from predators and harsh weather. The dog's white coat made it easy for him to blend in with the flocks of sheep around him. The fluffy coat of a puppy begins to mat between the ages of 8 and 10 months. As a result of its breeding as a herd protector, the Komondor is naturally suspicious of strangers and protective of its kind. Today, the Komondor is a good friend and guard dog for the humans it protects. 1. Platypus. An Australian animal, the platypus stands out from the rest. To distinguish them from all other mammals is what makes them monotremes. Platypuses, like echidnas, belong to a separate order of mammals called monotremes. It wasn't long before European naturalists and scientists were convinced that the platypus was a hoax because of its odd appearance. This creature is well suited to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Dense, waterproof fur coats the animal's sleek body and broad, flat tail, making it very well suited for use in frigid climates. The platypus's hind feet are partially webbed as rudders, allowing them to steer through the water. The ear holes and the eyes that close as the animal dives are housed in the grooves behind its characteristic bill. Fat reserves are stored in the platypus tail, also used for digging and moving around. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.